Is your back I will show you how to crack your back using nothing but a towel. Roll up your towel nice and tight, and we're going to position it on our mid-back. So just bring it through like this, so it's sitting somewhere like that. Now we'll lay down on the floor, grab it with both hands, and then help yourself down so you don't face plant. If you do, now grab both ends of the towel, plant your hands underneath your shoulders, and we're going to do a push-up. So just arching that back, leaving the hips on the floor as high as you can, hold that top position, and back down. Once we've done a couple of these, we'll move the towel up to the next vertebrae, trying to work that entire thoracic spine. So there you go. Follow for more or not, I'm not your boss.